Right, we will proceed with the next transaction. We have recorded the purchase of truck. Then we go to the transaction 10th of November. Purchase of supplies. So we will create the supplies account. Okay, supplies account. November 10. This purchase using cash. Yes, cash account. The amount of 1860. Okay, we have to update the cash accounts. Number 10. Supplies. Okay, 160. Okay, done with that one. And number 12. Okay, receive cash. Number 12. Receive cash for fees earned. $7,500. Okay, and then we'll update the do we have? We don't have yet. Don't have that is earned accounts. So this one is November 12th. So fees earned is on credit side. 12. Cash is earned. $7,500. Okay, so we have recorded here and also inside the fees earned, earned. Alright, so we proceed to the number November 12 paid insurance premium. So we'll go back to the bank account. November 15. Okay, insurance. It's a prepaid insurance, prepaid insurance account. How much is it? $2,400. So we have to create the insurance insurance. Okay, November 15. Cash, yes, cash. How much is 2,004? Okay, so we go back to the bank account. Okay, we have done. Okay, and recorded jobs completed and sent invoice. So fees earned, you have to locate. Okay, fees earned here. November 23rd. Accounts receivable, because we haven't received any money yet. And receivable. Okay, how much is it? How much? 12,440. Okay, fees earned and accounts receivable. Do we have accounts receivable? Not yet. So we have to click on the one accounts receivable. Accounts receivable. Accounts receivable, how much is it? 5,440. Fees and T. Fees November 20. That. November 24th, receive an invoice. So we have to click another one. Accounts. This is truck expense account. Expense account. Okay, the amount is 1,100. 24th. And this is accounts payable. Okay, do we have accounts payable yet? Accounts. So, yes, we have accounts payable. November 24th. 1,100. Okay. Then for the 29th and 30th, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 transactions more. Okay. So get the accounts involved. Utilities expense, utilities expense, utilities expense, November 29. And the transaction is 3660 bit. Okay, so it's of cash 3660. Another one would be miscellaneous expense. Yes, expense. So debit November 29. Does it involve cash bit? Yes, cash 1770. And don't forget to record your bank account. But in this case, I would use the bank rather than cash, unless we have cash. Okay, 3660. November 29. 3660 and this utilities. Expense. We have another one, miscellaneous expense. This 1,700. Another one, receive cash. Customers on account. So receive cash. It's 8,000. November 30th. Earned revenue. Earned fees. Earned or fees earned. Fees earned. Okay, 8,000. So we have to record fees earned. November 30th. Fees earned. Is the fees earned? Fees earned came into there. Cash. Cash. How much is it? 8,000. It wages. Wages for someone. Expense 4750. We have two more bit creditors. Okay, we stop here because almost 15 minutes. Okay, we will continue.